my name is Afreen Khan.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Afreen Khan, and I'm a counselor working at Dempe College of Arts and Science. It is very sad to hear about what is happening in India, and especially worse because being a counselor, I hear these cases almost every day. You know, like dealing with students who face all of these problems. It's not easy for them. It's not easy for anyone. Imagine someone sitting in the bus, somebody coming and touching them, and they are unable to do anything. I remember when we were studying about trauma, and my hands are shivering right now. I'm sorry about that. When we were studying about trauma, it was always said that whenever someone, especially goes through something like this, very big thing, a bad touch or a good touch, we're not prepared with, it happening every day, right? So our brain goes to something called as freeze mode, which is, we kind of get like paralysis. You know how paralysis works, right? We cannot move our hands, we cannot move our shoulders. When something like this happens, our brain kind of stops working. Okay, we are in shock, we don't know what exactly is happening. And when a girl doesn't raise her voice at that particular time, who is blamed? The girl is blamed, or anyone who is not raising their voice is blamed. But do we understand what is exactly happening to them? Do we understand that it's a shock that person is going through? Right? And it is very sad because even when I go out at night when there's darkness present, even at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock when it's slightly dark also, it is so scary because I have my own sisters. I have my two sisters who are working at night sometimes, and I am scared if they don't come home at time. Worried, my parents are worried that what if something happens, And we always tell girls, girls, you'll wear this clothes, or girls, you'll go out in the morning, go out with someone. Why don't we tell boys what exactly to do? Why don't we teach them from the time they are born, you're supposed to respect the women? Whenever a child is born in the house, a girl is told not to go out, not to do this, not to do that. धाकटी भावा आसता न्ही तांकां कोण कित्याक सांगना तेंचे रायट जायना मम्मी पापान कितें फक्त बायकूच सांगूंक जाय ती कपडे कितें घालता हे कितें घालता तेंचे कितें मिस्टेक म्हाका सांगा दे आर ह्युमन बिंग्स नो दे डोंट हैव द राइट टू वेयर imagine if something happens to us imagine if something happens to a guy don't we fight if anything happens to a brother don't we fight so why are people coming and it's not just about the doctor now I see that just because it's of doctors many doctors are coming on and talking about this but is it just the doctors issue why can't other civilians come and fight for this every day like Ma'am Sandra said so many people are getting raped so many people are getting molested we only teach people about good touch bad touch do we also know that it's not just about touch it's also about the vision so many people just look at you in such a bad way and we don't even know how disgusting it feels it feels that something is wrong with us why has God made us like this someday I remember one girl telling me ma'am why am I even a girl I should have been born as a boy how bad that thought is just imagine you are a human being you're born into this place imagine gods and goddesses Durga Kolkata is a place where Durga is worshipped and this is what is happening and it's not just about Kolkata it's about Goa too it's about the whole of India not just India everywhere you look at any women it is very sad and it is very disheartening to see none of the women if you do a survey even right now over here if you do a survey anywhere in Goa ask them they will be faced with at least one incident of whether molestation whether a bad touch or a bad vision right if not in the childhood then when they grow up as an adult so many people go through so many things as a child parents say shut up why are you supposed to open up to people don't they deserve justice any person in the family does something parents say shut up it's a family member like even I we are three sisters and we remember dad and he even today like I'm very proud of my dad because he's the one who gets sanitary pads for us he's not ashamed to tell and I'm so glad because he's always there to support us my parents are there since we were three sisters my family was told you only have three girls even now when anybody asks us do you all have a brother we say no we don't have a brother so they're like only three sisters so that question mark comes and it is so disgusting to see this especially in the families when you know that my parents they have educated us so much and I'm so proud of them but when you see these things happening in India it is very very sad see it's not just about the laws it's about the people in the country as well आता laws जाता निर्भया केस झाले कितले वेळ लागले ताका justice मेळपाक see the person till the person is found guilty innocent who is needs to get justice, she's suffering now. The person who needs the justice, she's suffering for so much time. Where is it? What about her mental state? Amanta suicide attempt kela, हे attempt kela, त्यांचे ते right there. Nani, they're not doing it. No. Why are you putting fake allegations on someone saying that they attempted suicide? It is not a suicide, it's a murder. And it is, just imagine yourself into that state. It gives goosebumps, it gives nightmares to people. And especially for those who have gone through all of this, it's like a flashback coming to them. It's not easy. So please make sure justice, the person gets justice. And please, be with this protest. Thank you.
माझे नाव दिया नार्वेकर. I'm here to condemn what is happening right now. Okay, so whatever is happening, the rape cases, the things going on right now, it is not fair. You are telling us how to dress. You are telling us where to go. You are telling us when to go out. This is not fair. You should tell your men. You should tell your brothers. You should tell your sons to go where, to do what, and to close eyes if you are so much tempered to do something like that. You are not supposed to tell us what to do. We have our own freedom, okay? So we are independent of what we want. So